Say, I'm cool.
Uncle.
I'm cool. Put them on. That's it?
That's it.
Get him to talk some.
Where's your brother?
Sleeping.
Sleeping?
Yeah.
What's brother's name? What's brother's name?
I got it.
You got it.
Auntie.
Auntie? Why don't you give Auntie a hug?
Aww.
Thank you.
Can you get Auntie a kiss? Oh, thank you.
Why don't you give her a hug?
Oh, funny.
Funny. Hey, who is this?
Elmo.
What's Elmo have on?
Yellow.
Yellow?
Yellow? What is this?
Alright. Yellow.
Diaper?
Double.
What color is Elmo?
Yellow.
Red. What color is Cookie Monster?
Blue.
Blue. What color is your shirt?
Red.
Red.
Alright.
Give me a high five.
Alright.
Can you say bye-bye?